Prom 2018, Saturday, May 12, 2018, from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. in the evening. The Grand Ballroom, the event will be located at the Grand Ballroom in Hilton Center City.
Prom tickets. There is a limited number of tickets, so do not wait until the last minute. Prom tickets will be $60 a person. Tickets are being sold exclusively online. Tickets will be sold until Friday, May 4th of 2018. If you have any outstanding financial obligations or you are on the 365 list, you will be unable to attend prom. Each junior or senior may purchase one guest ticket in addition to their own. All guests must be 21 years old or younger.
Entrance to the prom. There will be a charge for parking at the Hilton and surrounding areas. Parking costs will vary. You're able to park your car in any available lot, but parking costs are at your expense. You must enter through the escalators. No entry through other doors or elevators will be allowed. You must have a ticket to enter prom. You must have a photo ID to enter prom, and your guests must have an ID with their date of birth, and you must be dressed appropriately to enter prom.
Prom photos. All photos, regardless of medium, are expected to comply with common rules / regard for decency, appropriateness, and fun. Carolina Photography, our yearbook company, will be set up to take formal pictures at the prom. We have rented a photo booth for the prom. There will be themed props to use in the photo booth. You will also get 2 to 3 photos, depending on the shape and size, for free.
Rules for prom. The prom is a school-sponsored event, so all Mallard Creek High School NCMS rules still apply.
Alcohol and drug use at prom. No alcohol or drug use will be tolerated. A breathalyzer will be on site. CMPD officers and school resource officers will monitor students. All violators of substance abuse will warrant school disciplinary and/or CMPD consequences. Students found to be under the influence of drugs and alcohol will be denied entry to the prom, and their parents will be contacted. Possible disciplinary action will follow.
Dress code. You will be denied entrance to the prom if your attire is determined to be inappropriate by on-site chaperones. Be classy. Ladies, in the back, dresses should not be lower than your natural waistline. No dresses with a V neckline to the navel. No two-piece dresses with an open midriff of more than 1 to 2 inches off the stomach / midriff showing. Additional midriff portions may not show even with mesh / lace in the dress. No slit should be higher than mid-thigh, and all short dresses must be at least fingertip length. Gentlemen, you're required to wear a tuxedo suit or nice sports coat, slacks, and a tie. No sneakers or t-shirts, or you'll be denied access into prom.
DJ playlist suggestions. Students can submit songs to be considered for the playlist for the evening. Please note all music is subject to screening and approval by ATGR DJ. Not all requests are able to be honored. Go to the following website and follow these directions in order to make a request for prom.
Have any questions? Please see Ms. Kelleher in B204, Ms. Carpenter in B108, Ms. Lipchin in B107, Ms. Pullen in the main office, or Principal Gary. You can contact them via email or through the prom website.